Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Messenger. So first of all, open my Messenger, click on to three line, go to settings, scroll down, click on see more in account center, personal details, select your Facebook account, type here your password, and this is a very important, select a region, click on to continue. If you don't using Messenger, disable this option and then finally click on to deactivate my account, then successfully deactivate Messenger. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.